morning. I have a new mug. I know. I don't need any more mugs, but I have a new one. In fact, I actually have two new ones. I went to the anthropology store the other day and I picked up this one, which it's been around for a few years and it's so pretty. It's got the gold foil on it. And then I also managed to get my hands on this orange floral pumpkin mug. I have the plain white pumpkin mug that I got last year, but I saw this one from this year and it's not available online, or at least at the moment it's not available, and I really didn't think I was going to be able to get my hands on it, but it was in store. I actually had to ask the lady because it was out the back, and I'm so glad that I have that. So between that one and that one, I feel like I have a pretty good autumn fall mug collection going on. But today I'm starting off with this mug. In fact, I've used this mug so much since I've got it. I could almost get rid of my entire mug collection and just have this one. Good morning. I'm gonna light this candle because I feel like it. While I do this, I will chat to you about what is going on. So today I am having somewhat of a reset day. I've let things go and there's a few things around the house that I need to do and things I need to organize. I don't remember the last time I actually wrote a to-do list, so I really want to do that because there's a lot of things I need to get checked off, but I am not feeling so great. I'm feeling quite off at the moment. It was 10 years yesterday since my dad passed away, and first of all, I can't believe it's been 10 years. I don't understand where the time has gone, and secondly, that's not exactly an easy thing to deal with, and I have been feeling off for about a week now. I've just been like really sort of sad and frustrated more than anything. I've spent a lot of time on the couch. I basically spent the entire weekend just relaxing and just trying to feel out whatever it is that I'm feeling and go with it. I thought about taking some more time off, but today I just felt a little antsy and was like, I just want to do stuff and I want to feel a little more productive. So that is why we are here. You never know, I might get halfway through this video and decide I'm done, I don't want to film anymore. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I don't know, I'm feeling very strange. I think for the first time ever, I'm actually properly grieving. I didn't know how to grieve, and since, you know, seeing a therapist for the last couple of years where we've worked on all different areas of my life, one of the things that I have learned to do is identify my emotions and then feel them. And when you feel your emotions, you move through them. And so right now I'm just trying to go with how I feel, whatever that may be. If it's sad, happy, and also feel like what it is that I want to do, like getting up and making this video. So yeah, that's where I'm at the moment. I'm just trying to keep it cozy in here. I feel like I wrecked the wick on that candle. Anyway, so I find myself getting very easily distracted. Exhibit A, like worrying about the wick on the candle that looks tiny now and I'm wondering if it's even gonna burn. And then, yeah, anyway, my brain's not working. My thoughts aren't coming together very well. So here we are. I'm gonna do some reset things. I need to do clothes washing like there is no tomorrow because I just haven't done anything for over a week, and just other things around the house that I want to do to feel a little bit more organized and like I'm coming back to life sort of thing. I just sorted my washing and I have two of the tiniest piles. I thought there was going to be so much more clothing, but I guess all I've really worn for the last week and a bit is gym leggings, and so I guess that's probably why these clothes piles are so tiny. But I definitely need to do the black pile because I want to wear my gym leggings again. I'm gonna let the washing machine do its thing. In the meantime, I need to figure out my office because it's kind of a mess. The other night, Liz came over and we pulled apart this cupboard and did some stuff with the Cricut, which was really cool. I've got this like holographic iron-on stuff, which that was just the wrong sizing and we needed to make the font bigger. But we did a bunch of testing and made some things and it was really cool, but I didn't have time to pack it away. Or not that I didn't have time to pack it away, I just didn't want to pack it away. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I also have to fold up all of this washing and put it away and clear off the rack so that I can put the next load on. So we're gonna do some office organization. I can actually see the office floor. I've just been sitting out here for a little bit. This has been my nest for the last few days, but the washing machine is now done, so I'm gonna go and get the washing. need to re-clean this mirror. Before I do anything else, I have to do that. I cleaned it with the wrong cloth the other day, and you can see that it's all like a bit foggy, I guess. I don't know if that's the word, but I need to re-clean this mirror, and then we can come back and finish chatting. Okay, mirror is now clean. One of the things that I've been meaning to do for the last couple of days is actually head to Winners and get some more socks. So I picked these socks up that I'm wearing a couple of weeks ago, maybe like a month or two ago, from Winners. I don't know if I can get the exact same ones, but I need this style because they still come up at the side, but they're not so high that they'll come above your shoe, and I really like them compared to the ones that are really low cut because I feel like they just fall down in the sneakers. So I've been meaning to go to Winners to literally buy socks. So I'm gonna tick that off the list today. I also might look through their hair care products and see if I can find a purple conditioner, and then I'm gonna have a look through their shoe section as well. I really want some plain white sneakers. But anyway, I just thought I would go and have a bit of a look at Winners. I was thinking for a second that I'm like good to go, but I actually think it's t-shirt weather and not sweater weather. Hey Google, what's the weather outside?
Currently in Toronto, it's 21 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecast high of 23 and a low of 18.
Yeah, I think it's probably going to be t-shirt weather, but I might wrap my sweater around my waist anyway, just in case, because I feel like I've just been all the cozy vibes lately, so I'm gonna do that. I changed my mind. I went with the denim jacket. I honestly don't even know why I care so much. I'm literally just gonna walk to Winners and then come home. So anyway, let's go. I am home, and honestly, about time. I don't normally get plastic bags when I go out, but I like to use little plastic bags as garbage bags, and I have none left, so I thought I would get one. But I got socks, very, very practical, and then I also got some Joico Blonde Life Violet conditioner as well, because my hair is so brassy and it really needs to be washed. So that's going to be something I'm going to do this afternoon to feel a little more fresh, is wash my hair and use this conditioner. And I'm just excited that I have socks. I would have preferred if I got all white ones, but this was a set of 10 for $10. So super affordable. I'm home. I'm so glad I am home. I have barely any energy, and basically that trip took it out of me. I sat in the lobby of a building just watching people pass by for about 15 minutes. I just didn't have it in me to get up and start walking home. I am beat. I have no energy left, and I just want to get into my little nest on the couch. I've been watching Gilmore Girls. Don't know why. I guess it's that fall season, autumn time of the year to watch Gilmore Girls, and it's really comforting. So I've been doing that. I'm gonna get into some comfy clothes and take these jeans off. And I actually might do some like Instagram, TikTok, reel editing and make some of those videos and that kind of thing. It is tea and chocolate time, and also just chilling out on the couch. I am so ready to get cozy. I really need to close my blinds during the day because the reflection is so bad. What am I up to? Season 4, I think, like the first or second episode. This is still my favorite spot in my apartment since I've redecorated. I just love this side table. I've just been hanging out in my little nest, and I'm actually feeling a lot more I don't know what the word is, chipper this afternoon maybe, but I've just been editing some videos for Instagram and TikTok. This is my TikTok feed. It looks so cool on the iPad with all of the images. I basically upload to TikTok almost every day. I think I uploaded 5 times last week, and so far I've done every day this week. And this is the one that I just uploaded, which is all of the home decor that I did from last week. I don't know why it took me forever to get around to editing it, but I've just put it together. And then I've actually done the same thing on Instagram, but on Instagram I actually just put like a little text caption on it too, just like a little cute thing, slightly different but same. I'm trying to upload to Instagram a little more often, and I've also been doing all of these lock screens as well. So if you hold it down and screenshot it, then you can use these as your lock screens if you would like to. I make them basically every morning. I mean, there's a few days I skip, but they're just little inspirational, colorful things. This is the one that I uploaded this morning, and they're just super cute. Before that, I was putting them into just like this morning Pinterest scroll. I was just collecting nice images that I liked every morning when I did a scroll through my Pinterest feed, which is why I called it a morning Pinterest scroll. But now I've just taken the text off it, so that if you do want to screenshot it and use it as a phone or an iPad lock screen, you can do that. I am back up. I've got my jeans back on, and I'm about to head out to my friend Liz's so that we can go out to IKEA in Etobicoke because she called me a couple of hours ago and asked me what I was up to and asked if I wanted to go to Etobicoke tonight. So we are now going to do that. It's literally after 6 p.m. It's still fantastically light, which I'm loving. I'm not ready for the super dark early 4 p.m. nights of winter. I'm gonna go chuck my sneakers on, and oh my god, I feel like my mirror still isn't properly clean. It's not, like right in the middle there. It's still not properly clean. Damn it, I'm gonna have to do that again. Anyway, I'm gonna put my sneakers on and we're gonna go to Etobicoke, and then maybe if we have time, Nordstrom in Sherway Gardens. While I wait for the elevator, I realized why I literally never wear these sneakers, and it's because they're actually too small. The entire time I walked to Winners, my toes were digging into the end. That's why I want to go to Nordstrom if we can. It's so pretty. I don't know, how much is it? Where are we? So $55 for the duvet and the pillowcases? For the set? That's pretty good. Do I really need another bedspread though? I don't know.
How many do you have?
This would be like my third one. I don't know if I really need another one. I can only use one at a time. I also really like this one. This one's really pretty, and I like that it comes with like the green strip at the top of it, so it like sits across there. And then they have so many floral ones. And there's also this one down here I really like as well. It's in a really nice green floral. I feel like this would be a really good summer bedspread. This is the box that I keep my makeup in. I don't know what it's called. I guess it's called this thing, but in the small one. Well, not the smallest. This medium-sized one, because this is the smallest one here. This one? Yeah, that's nice. I also like this little one too. So much textured glass. We've got a few things in our trolley. Liz has a new rug for the studio and a few other bits and pieces for her home and also for the studio. And I have nothing. There was nothing that I saw that I wanted, except maybe that bedding, but I'm gonna think about it.
That I need this for, so.
Isn't it so cute? I love the plants here. The real plants here are the best.